tiempo, se acabó. Dale, dale, rómpela, rómpela, mira.
Que quebren la piñata.
Oh, I'll let you know when it goes green. It's green.
That's a wiener! Is that a wiener?
Con le loro corpi e quanto stanno esplodendo.
Porca madonna, questo era un colpo di mortaio dalle spalle, scusate il porca madonna.
We talk about you and how blessed you are. In Jesus' name, I pray. Amen. Have a good weekend.
You made it, man.
Go, 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 go.
No, hanno 7 anni.
Okay. Are you kidding? That's unfair. She made those. I need to calm down. Everything's fine.
Amanda.
I'm an adult.
Like a cheese cracker, but they're also swimming animals.
And you can go in a bowl and you feed them.
Goldfish. Lamb. Goat.
Lamb.
Yeah, lamb. Pulling in about 1,000 of these breakfast burritos out to these hungry students getting their day off right, guys.
Burrito bonanza.
Bro, she domed that kid.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
What's your favorite word in Spanish? Puta. Okay, yeah. Horror. It means horror. Okay, horror.
I find that beautiful. People keep saying it to me.
Hey! You thought puta meant beautiful? Okay, good.
Te tengo un regalito. Ay.
Yeah.
Nothing that air traffic control can't handle with a good dose of Italian charm.
They say now the flight is released. That was pretty straight to the point. Okay, anyway, we need to wait a new slot at the moment.
Galera, meu pai tá olhando pra mim ali, ó.
Damaged. My car is damaged.
Where?
Right here. If you want to see, you can come over.
Shit!
Why are you hitting my car, lady?
Because it's not damaged. You bitch!
Did you tell her to get away from me? She's crazy. Hey, Moana. Pocahontas. Que classe!
Você me fez falar com a boca da Rose, galera, Moana, velho. Pelo amor de Deus.
Not tired.
No, ёпта. I am police.
Could you help me? Where can I find the drugstore?
Drugstore?
Yeah.
Drugstore, you can't. Yeah. Drugstore. I speak English. Drugstore.
No, I'm talking about pharmacy. The drugstore is the pharmacy. Medicine.
Drugstore
is the same. No. Drugstore is the same as pharmacy. There's no pharmacy.
Moscow. No, it's police. Drugstore. Магазин наркотиков. No, ёпта. I am police. Police. No. Moscow.
It's the pharmacy. It's the same.
No. Hamlet in Moscow. No, Moscow.
No, I don't do drugs. I'm talking about pharmacy. So.
Как драгстер? Ну почему драгстер? No drugs.
No, I don't do drugs. No, I don't do.
Tablets или tablets или как?
Yeah, I just need condoms there, you know.
Condoms. Oh, ё-моё. Да. Everything.
The question you guys have all been waiting for. Yes, right, bigger. They did get a ticket.
Okay.
Sadly, we didn't get them a warning. They ran the stop sign going 42 in a 25.
Plus stop sign. Or orange units?
You got donuts?
Donuts. You got donuts? That's funny. I like that. They asked if we had donuts. That's awesome.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for your service.
Thanks for keeping the streets safe.
You guys have a nice day.
You too.
We got some milk if you want it.